The F-22 Raptor and China's J-20 are two of the world's most advanced fighter jets. This video compares the two aircraft in detail, examining their strengths and weaknesses to determine which might hold an edge in a potential aerial engagement. The F-22 Raptor and China's J-20 are both incredibly advanced fighter jets, but which one would truly come out on top in a dogfight? In this video, we're diving deep into a head-to-head comparison, analyzing their capabilities and uncovering which jet might hold the edge in a potential aerial engagement. Get ready for an aerial showdown like no other. We're pitting the F-22 Raptor against China's J-20, two of the most sophisticated fighter jets in the world. This video will feature stunning visuals and in-depth analysis, showcasing the strengths and weaknesses of each aircraft. Forget everything you think you know about fighter jets. The F-22 Raptor and China's J-20 are pushing the boundaries of air combat, and their advancements are changing the game. In this video, we're revealing the shocking truth about which jet is truly superior and why. Welcome back to SkyJet Wings, where steel birds soar, secrets unfold, and the future of aerial warfare is just one click away. In the skies above us, a silent war is being waged. Two apex predators are watching, one from the west, another from the east. The F-22 Raptor, America's stealth icon, and the J-20 Mighty Dragon, China's fearsome response to US air superiority. Both claim dominance. But only one can lead the next generation of air power. Today, we go beyond just facts. We'll uncover truths the headlines avoid, guided not just by cold data, but by personal insights and hard-earned analysis. I've studied these jets for years, and what I've found may surprise you. So buckle up. Because this isn't just another comparison, it's a story about ambition, power, and the relentless human pursuit of aerial dominance. Imagine a sky where no enemy radar can lock onto you, where you dance between missiles like a ghost, where just your presence sends chills through the enemy's command center. That's the world of the F-22 Raptor. But 7,000 miles away, in a secret hangar in Chengdu, another beast was born. The J-20, sculpted not just to rival the Raptor, but to send a message: we're here too, and we're watching. Let's start with development. The F-22 Raptor was initiated under the Advanced Tactical Fighter program in the early 90s. Lockheed Martin's vision? A jet that could dominate for decades, with unmatched stealth and agility. The J-20, meanwhile, emerged in 2011. It reflects China's rapid military evolution, driven by both indigenous innovation and alleged reverse engineering. China faced challenges: engines, avionics, stealth coatings, but overcame many with aggressive R&D investment. Today, the J-20 is no prototype. It's a frontline warrior. If you ask me, the F-22 still holds the crown in air-to-air combat. Its thrust vectoring, unmatched agility, and real-world combat readiness make it the king of dogfights. But the J-20 is evolving fast, and in ways that could change the rules of engagement entirely. Let's break it down. F-22 Raptor F-22 Stealth Radar Cross-Section, 0.0001 m superscript 2 foot. F-22 engines twin Pratt & Whitney F-119S. F-22 maneuverability 3D thrust vectoring. F-22 speed Mach 2.25. F-22 avionics battle-tested and encrypted. F-22 weapons AIM-120D, AIM-9X. J-20 Mighty Dragon China. J-20 stealth estimated, 0.05 m superscript 2. J-20 engines WS-10C or Russian AL-31. J20 maneuverability, no thrust vectoring, yet. J20 speed Mach 2.0, estimated. J20 avionics still catching up. J20 weapons PL-15, PL-10, PL-21, in dev. The Raptor excels in close combat and stealth. The J20, however, is believed to be built for beyond visual range, BVR, superiority, possibly designed to knock out AWACS and tankers before a dogfight even begins. Now imagine this, a flashpoint in the South China Sea. Two jets appear on opposing radars. The F-22, flying low, undetectable, moving in silence. The J-20, from high altitude, locks in a long-range missile. But, too late. The Raptor, with better situational awareness, evades, flanks, and strikes, first shot, first kill. But what if it's not a clear sky? What if jamming is active, and detection ranges are limited? In such electronic warfare conditions, the J-20's range and payload might give it an upper hand, especially with its recent upgrades and two-seat variant in testing. In the 1980s, the Cold War was nearing its end, but the skies were still hostile. The US needed a new predator, a jet that couldn't be seen, couldn't be heard, and couldn't be caught. Thus began the birth of the F-22 Raptor. Meanwhile, China watched, and waited. Decades later, with growing geopolitical tensions and a vision of regional dominance, Beijing greenlit a new initiative, a stealth jet that would rival the best. The J-20 was born. Shaped by ambition, espionage, and a deep desire to challenge US air power in the Pacific. According to RAND Corporation's 2024 simulation, in a contested Pacific scenario, the F-22 maintained air superiority in 70% of engagements. But with every update to Chinese sensors and engines, that margin shrinks. According to RAND Corporation's 2024 simulation, in a contested Pacific scenario, the F-22 maintained air superiority in 70% of engagements. But with every update to Chinese sensors and engines, that margin shrinks. The F-22 is a legend. The J-20 is a rising force. But both are just chapters in a much larger story. The real question isn't who wins today, but who's ready for tomorrow. As AI, drone swarms, and sixth-generation fighters rise, air dominance will no longer be about just one jet, but the ecosystem around it. Thanks for flying with us on SkyJet Wings. If you enjoyed this deep dive, smash that like button, subscribe.